Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to review the Panasonic LUMIX G95D 20.3 megapixel mirrorless camera. Before we dive in, if you're looking to buy this incredible camera, check the link below for the best price available today. Design and build quality. The Panasonic LUMIX G95D features a robust and weather-sealed body that feels durable and reliable. Its ergonomic grip ensures comfortable handling, making it ideal for long shooting sessions. The camera's compact size and lightweight design make it perfect for photographers on the go, whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or street photography. Image quality. Equipped with a 20.3 megapixel digital live MOS sensor, the LUMIX G95D delivers stunning image quality with exceptional detail and color accuracy. The absence of a low-pass filter enhances the sharpness of your photos, providing professional-grade results. The included 12 to 60mm f3.5-5.6 micro Four Thirds lens is versatile, covering a wide range of focal lengths suitable for various shooting scenarios. Stabilization and performance. The 5-axis Dual I.S 2-image stabilization system is a standout feature, offering up to 5 stops of correction to ensure sharp and steady shots, even in low light or handheld situations. The fast and accurate autofocus system ensures you never miss a moment, whether you're shooting stills or video. Video capabilities. For videographers, the LUMIX G95D excels with 4K video recording at both 24p and 30p. The pre-installed Vlog provides greater flexibility in post-production, allowing for professional-grade color grading. The camera also supports unlimited video recording, making it perfect for extended shoots or vlogging. The 3-inch OLED touchscreen makes it easy to frame your shots and navigate the menu. Connectivity and battery life. The LUMIX G95D offers a variety of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, for easy sharing and remote control. The USB-C port allows for convenient charging, and the camera's battery life is sufficient for extended shooting sessions, ensuring you won't miss a shot. User experience. Using the LUMIX G95D is a pleasure, thanks to its intuitive controls and user-friendly interface. The high-resolution electronic viewfinder provides a clear and detailed view, while the fully articulating touchscreen is perfect for composing shots from various angles. The customizable function buttons allow you to tailor the camera's operation to your preferences. Final thoughts. The Panasonic LUMIX G95D 20.3 megapixel mirrorless camera with the 12 to 60mm f3.5-5.6 micro Four Thirds lens G95D is an outstanding choice for both photographers and videographers. Its exceptional image quality, robust stabilization, versatile lens, and professional video features make it a reliable and versatile tool for all your creative endeavors. Before you go, don't forget to check the link below for the best price available today. Happy shooting!